So let's break down some of the pairs that I have on watch for today. The first one is USD CAD, which is a bigger one. Well, this is a 4 hour play. I'm waiting for this big one right there. So we might get a 4 hour entry or simply an insurance entry. Border valid. So I think I love to go for an insurance entry because like we have a lot of hook points up there. Also, it is not the top of the structure. As we can see, it is almost at the end of the structure, right? So I think the insurance entry makes way more sense than the 4 hour play, right? And also, we're going to get a lot of high RR with the insurance entry, right? So just stick with the insurance entry. It is a lot more safer, lots more rewarding than that of the 4 hour play. So if you guys don't have the Falcon contents, I got all of them for you. The Falcon mechanics and the 4 hour play, the reward, the refinement. So all you have to do is just message me on here, which is definitely on that. All right, I think you got it. So and also I got the webinars video for you guys, and just don't forget to message me on Telegram. So let's begin. And GPPs Shakespeare are not the best one to trade, but when they give us a perfect entry, we can just take those trade because they just plays up very well. So as we can see here, we got directly from an inflection point. The good thing about is that we have a fully complete structure 1 2 3, and we are getting a direction from this inflection point or simply value point, as where we can see there is a good amount of volume in it, right? Which has enough volume to break this low, right? So and the way the price came back to the side is very lovely. 1 2 3, completely fully valid structure, definitely. And we are waiting for an insurance entry from here. That's how we're going to get trades, either a 50-minute or a 1 hour trade. Same goes for this this one. I think I like that of the GBHF more than this one, but still this one is also a good one. As we can see, we are getting a reaction from inflection point, not an area of value in this situation, but as we can see here, there is a lot of volume, so we can consume like we can predict the volume, right? There it has a lot of volume. As we can see, the price just fucking break through this low pretty fastly, right? So it has a lot of volume in it. And also we can see the this is not the best kind of approach that we are seeing right now, but it is very direct. As we can see here, close it and moving to the downside. As we can see, uh, yes, exactly. This is what I will I will be waiting for. And we also get the 1 2 3 structure at the last leg of this run to the upside. 1 2 3, and also we got this kind of like middle section, as if you can see right there. So same thing I'm waiting for right now is the 50-minute insurance play from this point, something like this. That's it. And Euro JP, same for this one. I took a trade right there. That was a lovely trade. I'm right now at 1% lock in. Also, I'm waiting for this insurance play from this pair right now. So let's see, if we get it, we get it. If we don't, that's completely fine with me, bro. So one little tips for you guys, that uh, if you want to take a 50-minute or 1 hour structured trade on during Asian session, just don't try to take those trades on the Asian session, because like most of the time they just don't work out. They just don't work out at all. So if you want to take a 4 hour trade on the a sensation, that's completely fine with me. If you have to take a threads, just mainly focus on taking those threads on during London session or on New York session, because they have the most highest volume in it, and most of the time they just plays out pretty well, right? That's advice not from my side but also from our mentor side, right? So it is simple. For our trade here, I'm waiting for the taken, and that's it. So that's it for the video. And last one, this one, I'm waiting for exact same thing. Whoa, 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 we might get this one. As we can see, there is still a missed gap that needs to be filled up. So I'm waiting for this trade. The the bad thing about this trade is that we have a hook point right above this point. So, and we have a middle section too, which is good, but I mean, we have to wait for a perfect entry or simply an insurance play from here.